High energy bills are a common problem among homeowners and commercial building owners in Los Angeles. The loss of heat or gain of heat through windows is one of the main causes of these high energy bills. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI-certified energy efficient windows contractor in Los Angeles. We have been installing residential energy efficient windows and commercial energy efficient windows for over 10 years. Our energy efficient windows installation services prevent the loss of heat or gain of heat through convection, radiation, conduction, and airflow, therefore lowering your energy bills and preventing sun damage to your furniture and other properties in your house. We install Energy Star rated energy efficient windows, such as Awning Energy Efficient Windows, Bay Energy Efficient Windows, Slider Energy Efficient Windows, Casement Energy Efficient Windows, and Palladian Energy Efficient Windows for residential buildings and commercial buildings such as offices, apartment complexes, storefronts, healthcare institutions, and educational institutions. We offer affordable energy efficient windows installation services in Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, and Orange County. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.